Hello, welcome to Easy Bakes. Today I'll be showing you easy sweet treat recipes for you to try at home. Disclaimer, I did not make up any of these recipes myself. I just tried them out so you can bake it. First, we have the Rice Krispie Treat. This is delicious and easy. Let's start. Start by melting a quarter cup of butter over low heat, then add 4 cups of mini marshmallows. Keep stirring until melted. Cook for 2 minutes longer after melting. Remember to stir constantly. Remove from heat and add 5 cups of Rice Krispies. Stir until completely coated. Using a buttered spatula or paper towel with butter or waxed paper, press your creation firmly into a pan. 13 by 9 is good. Cut into squares when cool and enjoy. Each piece is about 65 calories. It makes 24 squares, takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make. Okay, on to the next one. This is a very simple way to spice up your ice creams. By taking your ice cream cone. This is the brand I use, but I'm definitely not sponsored. Then, melt some chocolate and pour it in your ice cream cone. This creates a cornetto-like effect. Add 2 or 3 mini marshmallows. This is what it should look like. Add some ice cream and toppings. I used crushed Oreos and Lotus biscuits. Now enjoy.